So here we have a project, a little side project. This is a drawer from the kitchen. And over the years, I knew this was going to happen. Well, I didn't know at first, but after a while, it was pretty clear. These were going to break. They, kind of, one drawer went bad, kind of. It's still limping along okay. But it's a silverware drawer that takes the hardest use because you're in and out of it all the time. So we didn't spend a lot on the cabinets. Yeah, I know there's better made ones out there, but it's what we could afford at the time. And I was happy with the fronts because they are solid oak, solid red oak. And I knew if some other stuff went bad, I knew in my mind that I could fix it or replace it. And I could totally rebuild this drawer. I could do that. But I got some other ideas. So let's, I'm going to get started on it. First, I'm going to take this part off and examine it closer. And one simple fix would be to put a screw in here. But I don't think that's a long-term fix because this is particle board here. So it doesn't hold screws like real wood would. So, and these obviously are not dovetail or anything like that. I'm not going to try to do that. But I do have some other ideas. And I'm going to remove this one, pull this all off, and then decide what I'm going to do. I might, and I think what I'm thinking is surfacing it with wood, hardwood, and then putting screws in, because then the screws should hold. And yeah, I got ideas. I could even put a little piece on here because there is about a 1/4 inch gap here. So I could put an 1/8 inch on here. And obviously I could put some on the inside. So yeah, when we're done, this drawer might look very different. Back here, there's enough space. I could put a full piece in here. How is the bottom? I got to look at that too. Is the bottom good? Probably is. That's probably plywood. Okay. Let's take it apart and let's start rehabbing this thing.